Deals are my art form. I like making deals, preferably big deals. That's how I get my kicks. Donald Trump, The Art of the Deal, 1987. Nobody knows the system better than me, which is why I alone can fix it. Donald Trump, Republican National Convention Acceptance Speech, 2016. I will have that war settled between Putin and Zelensky as president-elect before I take office on January 20th. I'll have that war settled. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. People being killed so needlessly, so stupidly, and I will get it settled, and I'll get it settled fast before I take office. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. They're dying, Russians and Ukrainians. I want them to stop dying, and I'll have that done. I'll have that done in 24 hours. Donald Trump, CNN Town Hall, 2023. That is a war that's dying to be settled. I'll get it settled before I even become president. Donald Trump presidential debate 2024. Well, I said that figuratively. And I said that was an exaggeration because, to make a point, Donald Trump Time interview 2025. I think we're going to make a deal with Iran. Nobody else could do that. Donald Trump Time interview 2025. I would much prefer a deal than bombs being dropped. Donald Trump Time interview 2025. No, I may go in very willingly if we can't get a deal. If we don't make a deal, I'll be leading the pack. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. She's a horrible negotiator. They sent her in to negotiate. As soon as they left, Putin did the invasion. Donald Trump, ABC debate 2024. I think it's in the U.S. best interest to get this war finished and just get it done. All right? Negotiate a deal. Donald Trump, ABC debate 2024. Inflation's killing our country. It's absolutely killing us. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. Starting on day one, we'll end inflation and make America affordable again to bring down the prices of all goods. Donald Trump, Bozeman, Montana rally 2024. Biden's inflation catastrophe is demolishing your savings and ravaging your dreams. Donald Trump, Durham, New Hampshire rally 2023. I don't think so. Look, they got them up. I'd like to bring them down. It's hard to bring things down once they're up. You know, it's very hard. Donald Trump, Time interview 2024. The prices of groceries have gone down. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. Now, if you take a look, the price of groceries are down. The price of energy is down. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. Trump's making food affordable. All caps. Donald Trump, Truth Social Post 2026. I love the inflation. Donald Trump 2026. Gas prices are not very high, relatively speaking. Donald Trump 2026. We've got to get rid of the $19 trillion in debt. You heard that number right. Donald Trump, Washington Post interview 2016. I'm the king of debt. Donald Trump 2016. It's going to just force them to pay us a lot of money, reduce our deficit tremendously, and give us a lot of power for other things. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. I gave you the largest tax cut in history. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. We now have the largest deficit in the history of our country under this guy. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. He's got the largest deficit in the history of our country, and he's got the worst situation with China. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. We took in billions of dollars. We had no inflation. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. Nobody knows the system better than me, which is why I alone can fix it. Donald Trump, Republican National Convention, acceptance speech 2016. If I'm given another 4 years, I will be the best. I think I'll be the best. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. Nobody's ever created an economy like us. Nobody ever cut taxes like us. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. I feel that we've had a very successful presidency in 100 days. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. If you look at all of the years that I've been doing this, I've been right on things. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. I campaigned on all the things you're talking about, all the things you're asking about, and openly campaigned. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. I've joined the political arena so that the powerful can no longer beat up on the people that cannot defend themselves. Donald Trump, Republican National Convention, acceptance speech 2016. First, I will end forever the weaponization of government and the abuse of law enforcement against political opponents. Donald Trump, Mosinee, Wisconsin, Rally 2024. This is the one that weaponized, not me. She weaponized. Donald Trump, ABC debate 2024. Sure, I believe in the court system. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. I leave that to my lawyers. I give them no instructions. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. I think Chris Krebs was a disgrace to our country. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. You think they gave me $100 million each for nothing? Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. That's the way it works, unfortunately. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025. Everything was rocking good. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. We got a lot of credit for the economy, a lot of credit for the military, and no wars, and so many other things. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. We're no longer respected. They don't like us. We give them everything they want, and they think we're stupid. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. The whole country is exploding because of you, because they don't respect you, and they have to respect their president, and they don't respect you throughout the world. Donald Trump, CNN debate 2024. I have stopped. I have solved more problems in the world without asking for or getting credit. Donald Trump, Time interview 2025.